Ladies and gentlemen, residents of Rethabiseng, Ekangala, Zetubeni, Sukhulumi and Bronkhorstspruit, colleagues and fellow South Africans, I'm pleased to be here with you today as we launch Action SA national campaign to fix local government from Rethabiseng in the city of Tshwane. This is a campaign rooted in our shared belief that every community, like Rethabiseng to Alexandra, from Ekangala to Tembisa, from Zetubeni to Davidton, deserves dignity, delivery and government that shows up for them. We are here because local government in South Africa is broken, and unless we take drastic action to fix it, South Africa will remain broken too. Across our country, municipalities have become places of despair, hopelessness and pain. In too many communities, people have been forced to live without the most basic services: no electricity, no tap water, no sanitation and no waste removal. Potholes turn roads into obstacle courses. Water taps run dry while leaks gush for weeks. Refuge piles up and streetlights don't work. It is unthinkable that the dignity of residents has become a luxury 31 years into democracy. This is a failure of administration and a betrayal of the very purpose of government. Local government is meant to be the level of government closest to the people, yet in practice it has become the level furthest away from them. Here in the city of Tshwane, the executive mayor Dr. Nasipi Moya and the deputy mayor councillor Eugene Modise, with members of the mayoral committee, has taken decisive action to stabilize the city's finances, improve service delivery, enhance infrastructure investment, strengthen law enforcement. Significant progress has been made resolving water leaks and potholes, to restoring high-mast streetlights, to tackling illegal connections. Financial recovery is well underway, with increased revenue collection, structured plans to better financial controls and to curb unauthorized and wasteful expenditure. A distant bureaucracy filled with excuses, corruption and cadre deployment. It is the poor, the unemployed and the voiceless who suffer the most. Action SA was formed because we refused to accept this as normal. We were tired of promises, tired of politicians who only arrive during elections, tired of leaders who are only accountable to their party bosses and not to the communities they serve. This is why the campaign is a mission to restore people's faith in the democratic project, to prove that government